Well, good morning everyone. It's Jerry Hart here and welcome to the February Practical Tax Update webinar from 2020. We're going to look at today not just some new issues but also some end-of-year tax planning. And in looking at the new issues, as always, we're covering this from new legislation, HMRC practice and guidelines, case law, what I call from the tax advisor's desk, and new thinking and forward planning. So let's have a look at the first topic, which is business records checks under a planned new program. This is a potential can of worms, I have to say. This was announced by HMRC in December last year when they announced a consultation on what is a planned program of checking business records within the SME sector, so prime candidates for our client base. They attempt to justify the introduction of this program by claiming that research amongst themselves and also tied in with the OECD nonetheless, or no less I should say, suggests that poor business record keeping is responsible for a loss of tax in up to 2 million SME cases annually. I can tell you that's 2 million out of 5 million, 40%. I don't know about you, but my immediate reaction is that that is a bit high, a bit heavy. But on the other hand, you might feel, well, cash businesses, by definition, they won't necessarily have poor record keeping, but it won't necessarily be absolutely watertight. So if you take that into account as well, I suppose one can see where they get the 40% figure from. Now, the consultation exercise is unfortunately limited to considering the best way to implement the program. They're not asking us whether we think it's a good idea or not. It's therefore clear that the program is going to be introduced, and we all need to know the likely impact on our clients. The first thing I would say is that there's a good marketing opportunity here. You've now got another opportunity to go into your clients and suggest that you review their business records, unless, of course, you've done that before and they've taken on board your recommendations and everything is hunky-dory. Otherwise, this is a good chance to go in there. Say, you're probably going to be selected.